Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create Facebook search. So first of all, we need to create a label tag. Label tag is usually to define labels for several tags. We can define label for input text, and we also can define labels for checkboxes, radio buttons, and several other input elements and other several element as well. So inside the label element, we are going to create two spawn element like this, and this spawn element will be used for search icon. This search icon which is inside the Facebook search input, and you can see we will use this spawn element for the icon, and that icon will be from the Part06.com. Here we are going to create input. So first we create an input text field, and this text field will be our search box. So we'll say type, and type equal to text, and then we will place a placeholder. A placeholder attribute simply a text usually appear inside the text field here. So we gonna create a placeholder, and we say placeholder equal to, and whatever we type here it will shows inside the text field. We will type search, and then we'll say Facebook, and this will shows inside the text field, and this text field will be our Facebook search box. So that's it for the input, and now we need the icon for the spawn. So let's go to the Part06.com. Once the Part06 website is opened, search for search. I think I mistyped it. You can see there are several different icons. We need to only focus on the free icons, which is a little bit bold like this, and whenever you hover over the premium icon, it will also shows the pro tag, and this is for the license, and the license require some of the subscription, so I don't recommend it. We will be using all the free icons. So let's select the search icon, and now copy the code, open up the file, and inside the spawn element we're gonna paste the code here, and we're gonna save the file. So let's now open up the project folder. It is on the desktop, Facebook project, and open this file with the Firefox. You can see now our search icon is displaying on the left side of the input field. So our icon is working fine. You can see our icon is displayed on the page. So as for the label, we can use label element to bind another element together. In the later videos we will talk about, and we will actually work with this label element. So stay tuned, and that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.